How to remove end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get into the tutorial. So first of all, open WhatsApp on your phone. Here we go. Now go to settings and over here you can see the option of chats. Let's tap on it. Now after tapping you can see various options here. Now you can see the option which says chat backup. Tap on it and at the end you can see end-to-end encryption backup which is turned on. Tap on it and at the end you can see the option of turn off. Tap on it. Now over here you have to enter your passcode. Make sure that you don't forget your password here. Now after you enter it, what you have to do is tap on next, then simply tap on turn off. Now by following these steps, you can remove end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp. So that's all for today and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.